Yes, I'm being gang stalked by the type of people who think like Mayweather, except for they have no skill like the no knockout KO master. Look at him and look at other Asian martial artists. And then with all due respect, look at me. We all know with my left hand I would grab Bruce Lee and I'd smash him against the wall and I would stab the life out of him in no time. Okay? And that's if I was just so angry I couldn't focus. You know? He'd be flailing around to no avail. And if a bigger, stronger guy tried to do it, as I've demonstrated many, many times, I would outmaneuver him and I would kill him. There isn't a single one of you listening who could even think of somebody I wouldn't outmaneuver and kill. So keep hiding from my challenge like bitches with all due respect, and fucking bitches trying to make up for it. But when your dick isn't as big as it should be, it's because your ancestors know you're disgraced. You sniveling, materialistic, hedonistic, narcissistic, race-trading snitch.